Welcome to November. This is Elsie Kerns. We're going to look at the vagus nerve today. It is bilateral, so it comes out of the 10th cranial nerve and it comes down and winds right through the throat area, affecting the thyroid, supporting the lungs, the heart, digestion, and reproductive system. It follows, wanders all the way down through our body. It is a part of the parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and restore. So when we have the vagus nerve active, we cannot be in fight or flight. If we are in fight or flight, whoops, we want to come over and support and activate the vagus nerve. One easy way, just take the heel of your hands together and just gently hold the throat area. No pressure. Just take a couple deep breaths and support that vagus nerve. You can also take your fingertips right at the end of the earlobe, right there as the vagus nerve comes around, and activate and support this vital system that helps us not only rest and restore, but release anxiety and overwhelm. So again, just breathing deep and just smiling as you activate the vagus nerve. So we have open to the month of November, and Friday night was a new moon. So if you haven't written your abundance check, I'll put a link below on exactly how to do that. Thanks for joining me. See you next week.